Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back. And since you liked the video yesterday, I promise you, man, you guys did amazing. When you liked the video yesterday, it actually took off. It reached 1,000 people. I know it's not too much. I don't really get even above 1,000 people, but the fact that you actually liked the video took the normal bonk updates from like 200 to 1,000. So that was like a 5x jump, right? So if you just keep on liking this video, because for the past three how many days is it now? Maybe 10 days we've actually been crushing it with these predictions about bonk, right? So when we talk about having no manipulation, having a very fair game in crypto, this is what happens. Okay, when you have a market that doesn't just play games all the time, that's what you see. That's exactly what happens, right? Right now, if you notice other different coins, Pepe, Dodge, especially meme coin category, Bonk right now has taken off. It has completely taken off. For some few days, I've actually even posted one SHIB update, and I talked about the fact that SHIB could have done the same, but this was manipulated, right? And when I say manipulation, people just say, oh no, it's not manipulation. Maybe you do not know how to trade and this and that. So what was different that happened that couldn't pick SHIB to the upside? This was SHIB. It could have gone up, right? It is just as similar as what Bonk really did, right? So that this was Bonk right over here, and it broke and it actually went up. No manipulation. The only difference that happens was manipulation, maybe just the mode of how the whales are. So I would actually like to continue to keep on the momentum going, bring you these videos, bring you more technical analysis so that you can actually benefit them from, and keep liking the video, especially this one today. Let's just keep the whole thing rolling. Now, of course, things are looking good with Bonk at the moment, but I'm gonna give you some few pro tip at the end, maybe one important tip at the end, and it's a that's it's a food of process. What do you call it? Food to ponder, point to ponder, whatever that is. Okay, I'm very bad at these words, but now a sideways movement has already happened, right? So we have this one pattern, of course, that has broken out of, and the technical target for this has not been met just yet, and the technical target is up to 23.28. Now, of course, as you may actually expect, when you pump like this very, very high, number one, it could be a little bit dangerous to enter and try to trade. Now, of course, the reason why people may love the update is not because it's not necessarily so that you have to be bullish all the time. There are a few traders out there who know that when things go down, it's actually time to buy things, and when they go up like this and they pump way too hard, for example, this is already like 90%, man, from the bottom. Okay, so when something is 90%, well, there are traders who know that when things go high, it is just a good idea to make a short position and make money off the short position. But of course, you have to be a little bit careful with shorting the coin, and let's actually talk about shorting the coin and how much risk you can actually take. So this is the reason why I always say this. The fact that you hear these words, the fact that you hear the tips and the TA, if you like the video, someone new who is actually being who is not getting some valuable content from other people is going to actually find this video, discover this video, become a fan, and get something that is more interesting instead of just following other people randomly. Now, yesterday, quick recap is that when I said, you have the new high, the new higher low, and you continue. So the higher you go, your stop losses actually continue to climb up, right? And yesterday we talked about 1595 being your new stop loss at the moment. So today your stop loss is going to climb up as well. Yesterday you were trading at 1800. Today you're trading at nearly 2200 at the moment. So let's see if the stop loss is going to continue to climb up, number one. So the thing is that, yes, it's going to climb. The reason it's going to climb is because, and I'm going to tell you, we're still bullish, all right? We're still a little bit bullish. The reason is because we have 3 white soldiers, 3 green candles back to back, and you will always make one red in there, and then you're going to make a little bit of a doji from 2017, I guess, probably 2017, and then from here you'll probably come to 23.49 or even 2500. Now be careful, 2500 is going to be a very, very big resistance, okay? And that's why this is where I'm going to actually talk about shorting. So where exactly can you actually short Bonk? Is this a good place to start to short Bonk? Now this can be dangerous because there are chances Bonk will go above the prices of 22.55. You might put a stop loss here, it's going to be taken away. The reason is 3 white soldiers is there. Now unless you don't really go down and take out the lowest part of the 3 white soldiers, you're going to be completely destroying the bullish structure. Then you are probably going to be bound to go a little bit lower, right? Okay, so that's with that being said, there are chances of just continuing just consolidation here, make another flag probably. And if this one becomes a flag, normally when you have 3 white soldiers, they create a flag, and then from there you can see that if this flag breaks out, you're going to see 2549, maybe 2600, and that's where you can actually short, right? And again, when I say short, guys, it literally, there's a lot of meaning behind shorting something. That means money management, risk management, all those kind of stuff. Now, if you do short, if you want to say that, hey, let me actually short it from here, it's not a bad idea, because that's where you go rejected, you drop down, you go rejected again, and then you drop down, and you could be rejected again. So it's a good idea to try, because you cannot say that it's going to continue to pump. And especially, as I said, 100% pump. The RSI, well, I'm pretty sure the RSI is actually even overbought right now. So you could actually just continue up to 2600, take a little bit of a break, and maybe just retrace down. But even if you go to 2000, then you may have like a 20%. That's amazing, right? Now let's say it doesn't work, right? The worst case is that you break above, you come for the retest. You could actually just continue to go and continue really higher than what you have. Now I told you there's a tip that I want to give you, which is the final tip. You see, normally Pepe and Bonk, and I make these videos almost daily, every single day. So if you want to actually get these updates, do while you subscribe, make sure you press the bells to get notification. I always forget to tell you to press the bell, because when you press the bell, you get a notification on your phone that I uploaded a video. Otherwise, subscribing is just not good enough. Okay, so you're gonna get the updates, but the thing is, Pepe and Bonk are parallel to one another. So the fact that Bonk has already pumped here right now, it actually signals that probably Pepe is going to move up as well. And let's say we didn't actually get Bonk earlier. Here's the tip. Well, number one, there are 2 things that can happen. Those who took Bonk can trade Pepe, because Pepe has a falling wedge and a technical target to 1369. You can get that, and the stop is actually at 823, so that's a very big stop loss, okay? But yes, Pepe has a very big falling wedge in here that has broken out of it, and it shows that Pepe eventually will come to 1380, right? So number one, what you can do is, for the person who missed Bonk, this can actually be a very good low risk trade. And for the person who took Bonk and is in profit, why play with fire? It's already pumped. Come to something that has not pumped just yet, right? So do your math. It's all art, right? It's just the way you do things. And speaking of Pepe, I'm going to bring an update, a detailed one. If you want to know where the stop losses can be, and further on, you can actually come to the channel and try to check the following video today after Bonk video. So make sure you're liking again, like the coming Pepe, and watch the coming Pepe video, and let's talk about this one very quickly. And that's all. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.